Hi everybody, it's Julie. Welcome to day R for recipe, and I had this cute little recipe card in my stash, and I thought it would be really fun and perfect for what for the journal that I'm putting together. It's kind of quite an eclectic hodgepodge, and I thought it would be fun. I really like that it says, here's what's cooking. Now, literally, you could go ahead and use washi tape or something on the recipe from, and that would be okay. Because the here's what's cooking, you could go ahead and write your sentiment or your journaling there. I am recovering from a sinus infection. Took away my Easter holiday. Not fun. So what I'm doing here is I've got this little graph paper, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fold it so that it will fit onto the back of this little card. Okay, so giving us again more journaling room. This is going to be a very easy and fast video today, I hope. If I can just make it through without coughing, we'll be good. Yeah, I was the hostess, not the mostest. I'm very disappointed but yeah, you know, our bodies are like that. They go, huh, nope, you're done. You're done. And down I went. Okay, so this gives me this extra area, which I like very, very much. The journal that I am making is actually a traveler's notebook style, so it's kind of small. If I was doing this a regular one, I think this would be adorable to have like a see-through pocket where you could see this and then it would pull out. But I'm actually doing a traveler's notebook style, so I don't have enough room for that at this time. We can go ahead and also add a little pocket down here. Yes, I do have the peach. So this is money. I think it's from the Game of Life. Vintage. And I'm just going to make a pocket out of it. I got my new glasses. Yay! So the good news is I got my new glasses. Okay, so there we have a little pocket. So your recipe card, I mean, it could just go in. And of course, this idea you could do pretty much to any oh, I hope we have scissors. Me and the grandkids. I haven't been in my office since Thursday? Friday. And we were making stuff, so I think my scissors all transpired. Anyway, I was thinking I could go ahead and do one of the flower. You know what? We'll just use there's got to be a pair of scissors in here somewhere, but we can go ahead and carefully use an X-Acto knife. and I'm just making a leaf out of a leaf. I'm making a smaller leaf out of a leaf. You've seen me do that before. I thought it would be fun to add this kind of as the pole. Oh my gosh. You guys, I have a huge Happy Mail haul from Lou David coming up, and the stamps were on top of the stapler. Okay, so that is my R recipe card. It could also be, oh, so here we are again. So when you can't find your scissors, you can always use your X-Acto knife, right? I have this ribbon. You saw me use that on the Bird in the Tree journal. And that's sold right away. Thank you so much. I'm sorry if you can hear me breathe. So I know that's annoying. Okay, so there we go. And oh, I like that. I like that with that little piece of the ribbon there. So this is my day R. It is R for recipe or recipe card. Now you can go ahead and just use a recipe card. You can add a recipe if you wanted to. So there we go. And I'm probably going to put this into a pocket like this in my journal that I have that's coming together. So, and let's see, we have this cute little sunflower. I think it should just go right in there. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. These letters, the letters A through Z, is for our April ABC Junk Journal Challenge. If you'd like to join us, there's still time. It is a Facebook group, April ABC Junk Journal Challenge. I give you 26 different things to do that have to do with the letters of the alphabet, and you make a journal with that. There are prizes, and it's lots of fun. I thank you all for being here. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.